This is Dr. Roger Knapp, pediatrician. Let's talk about car seats. And I think pretty much most parents are buckling up their kids in car seats. But there's all different sizes of children. And the question comes up, what size window I move them up to the next car seat? And be sure you get an approved car seat. There's some recommendations at my website, rogerknapp.com. The child who is really large, 2-year-old, could be the same height and weight as a small 4-year-old. There's a double age difference in size of children. And the weight doesn't hold you in the car seat. It's where the straps hit your body. So I kind of laugh at these companies that have these requirements on the car seats that this is for this age child or that weight baby, and that doesn't work. We want the shoulder strap fairly close, within an inch of the shoulder, not way up there, way down there. So if your child's outgrown this car seat and they fit the next size car seat and the straps go and make contact with the body where they're supposed to, then move them up to the next car seat. I had actually one child, 7 months old, 40 pounds, a huge kid. And at 4 months of age, he was 20 pounds, and you certainly would not put that child in the car seat. So, in fact, children's clothing is also age, and that's kind of silly. You've probably noticed that you don't actually go to the same age as their labels on their clothing. So sometimes you have to kind of match them up and see if this clothing is going to fit. I tell some parents with clothing, go to the percentile for their height and weight is. So if they're very small child in the growth charts of height, then you go to their age. If they're at the 50 percentile for height and weight, go add 50% of their age. So a 6-month-old would wear a 9-month-old clothing. If he's at the top of normal, huge kid, then the 6-month-old, you add 100% of their age, and you go to the 1-year-old clothing. So even clothing is kind of silly. It should be sold under the height of the child and not the age. And so same thing with car seats. Buckle them up, face them backwards until close to 2 years of age. They don't mind it. And of course, remember the child's in the seat and don't leave them there. Thank you. This is Dr. Roger Knapp.